2023 BMW M8 Convertible, Soft Top Stormtrooper. The 2023 BMW M8 Convertible is one of the largest, most powerful, and most expensive BMWs one can buy, and it comes packed with all the luxury and performance one would expect from a high-ranking M car. Although the M8 Convertible returns for 2023 with minimal changes, you still get the competition package as standard, which means this mighty drop-top produces a massive 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque from its 4.4-liter V8 engine. This allows the M8 to launch to 60 miles per hour in a fraction over 3 seconds, which, in a car this size, feels almost illegal. For 2023 the interior is spruced up with a larger infotainment display, and the cabin remains a refined, albeit demure space, but since everything needs to have a flaw, it's worth noting that the rear seats in the M8 drop-top are an uncomfortable place to spend time. And with rivals like Bentley, which generally specialize in comfort, there's the ultra-pricey GT Continental Convertible to keep the big bimmer on its toes. Buyers looking for top-down thrills and superfluous power can also shop among competitors that aren't quite as sizable as the BMW M8 Convertible, but in this case, the BMW provides a much more spacious and plush cabin than the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. 2023 BMW M8 Convertible changes. What's the difference versus 2022 M8 Convertible? Customers in the USA can expect a redesigned grille that is illuminated as standard, as well as a few new exterior paint colors, including two BMW individual hues called Frozen Pure Gray and Tanzanite Blue 2 Metallic. Skyscraper Gray, Brooklyn Gray, and Isle of Man Green are also made available. Other aesthetic tweaks include M Shadowline inserts on the BMW Icon adaptive LED headlights and BMW M 50 years bespoke emblems that honor the 50th anniversary of BMW M. The interior of the BMW M8 Convertible also gets some TLC for 2023 with the addition of a new leather/Alcantara color combination of black and secure orange. M carbon bucket seats can now also be added to your M8 that feature heating and power adjustments. Finally, a larger 12.3-inch center display screen replaces the 10.25-inch unit from the previous model year. Pros and cons. Massive performance. Easy-to-drive nature. Handsome styling and imposing size. Long list of tech features standard and available. Can go fully RWD. Rear seat space is very limited. Exhaust note isn't very tuneful. This is a heavy car. 2023 BMW M8 Convertible handling and driving impressions. There's a bit of duality in the M8 Convertible. On the one hand, you get a sublime ride when you're going nowhere slowly and just enjoying leisurely cruises. But there's more lurking beneath the surface, which becomes abundantly clear when you jab the BMW M8 Convertible's throttle. It's insanely quick in a straight line, and the heft of its gorgeous body isn't masked in any way. This is no Nimble 2 series. The M8 Convertible makes its weight known when you're speeding into corners and doesn't rotate with as much eagerness as other lighter M cars, but that doesn't mean it can't corner. Thanks to that xDrive AWD system, the M8 Convertible demonstrates massive mid-corner grip and rockets out of slow bends. And for those who will inevitably want to pop the tail out, there is a rear-wheel drive mode to indulge your slide side. When driving at a human pace, the M8 Convertible feels compliant and easy on the cheeks, and on the highway, it shines. The 8-speed M Sport automatic functions flawlessly in this application. We wish the steering and braking system offered a bit more feedback, and a more aggressive exhaust system would make for a much nicer soundtrack. Verdict: is 2023 BMW M8 Convertible a good car? The BMW M8 is an intimidating car in standard form but becomes much more approachable when the top comes down. The M8 Convertible has all the performance you get from the regular car but with the sensual joy of having the wind trawling its fingers through your hair. The bimmer is massively capable, partly thanks to the standard competition package, and accelerates like few other convertibles of this size. Despite its 4,560-pound curb weight, the M8 Convertible still likes to tackle the corners and will hurtle to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds. But there's more to it than just what's under the hood. The interior is refined, and the tech is on point, especially with updates to the infotainment display. The lucky ones seated up front won't have anything to complain about, but any review of the BMW M8 convertible you read laments the cramped back seats. With a starting price of $143,700, you get a nearly full house, although opting for a few more driver assists and the support of M-carbon bucket seats will see that price creep over the $150,000 mark. But, in a segment of cars designed to make you feel good, BMW knows how to deliver.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.